Okay, well, starting off, the audio for this video might be really bad because I'm recording on my phone. This is my 2017 ZX6R. As you can see, it's very sexy. These front parking lights are orange and very, very not bright. And then these, my main running light and my bright are also very, very dim. And they're all orange, and I like the white look better. So what I did is I replaced the bulbs with this, the main bulbs, and then I'm going to replace these parking lights with these. I'm just gonna show you how to do it really quickly. It's not that complicated, but I'll actually keep that light on just so you can see down there. Basically, this light has a this little rubber thing right there. It connects to that little hole right there. And so all you do is just take that. You can see these two wires on it. And so you can just pull it. You shouldn't pull it out by the wires, but you can just kind of like tug on the rubber bit. And it'll just come out. And yeah, then you have the light bulbs out. And all you need to do then is just pull on this. The price that match it are, I believe, 194. Yeah, that's what it is. So they're 194 LED bulbs. I probably shouldn't have turned that on right as I'm about to do it because now it's hot as fuck. But I'm gonna replace these real quick. I don't think I need to show that part because it's just me pulling it out, but yeah. All right, got the lights on, pretty easy. If I turn them on, that one works, that one works. So I'll put them in real quick. But yeah, now I can just show really quickly how to do the headlights. I don't really have the need to do it, but I figured I might as well show. So there's this little dust cover right here. If you can see right there, yeah, there we go. That little dust cover, what you're just gonna wanna do is really quickly pull the top part off. It doesn't really matter which part. But then what you're gonna see is you're gonna see two clips and then the actual plug right here. It's kinda hard to see, but these clips go back here through these wires. What you're gonna wanna do is the top clip, you're gonna push it in towards the front of your bike and then up. And then the bottom one, you're gonna push it in towards the front and then down. And then that'll unlock this little locking mechanism. You pull the plug out, and then on that black piece right there, there's a little plug that fits this little, just normal plug looking thing. And so I'll link the LEDs I got, but you just want a LEDs that have this plug. And then you just plug it in and do the reverse of what you just did. You just put the little metal clips back into the loop after pushing this in. Make sure that this top little lip here goes up to this little indent. You can't really see it, but yeah, there's an indent up there in the shape of that metal thing. Just make sure you line those up, and then, just put the dust cover back on.